Hey everyone. So I decided I'm going to use my local SEO keyword tool for RevenueKit's Google business profile. We're not your typical local business. We're obviously a software company. We service clients all through the US and Canada. You can't just walk in and purchase something or get a service at our physical location, but we do have a physical location. We have an office here in Los Angeles. And so I thought, why not? Let me sign up for a Google business profile for RevenueKit, and let me use the local SEO keywords tool for free on RevenueKit.com to figure out what keywords I should try to rank that profile for. Right? So let's give it a try. I'm going to fill out my info. And if you see here, I already keyword stuffed a ton of information in the name of the Google business profile. So we're RevenueKit dispensary SEO company Los Angeles. Okay. Not really a rhyme or reason to it. This tool is actually going to help us figure out if that was a good idea or not. Okay. So we're going to select the Google business profile and click continue to go to step 2. It's pretty bare bones for now, but we'll get there one thing at a time. Okay, so what services do we offer, right? So, I'll start off with just the basics, SEO. You could also do local SEO. We can do dispensary SEO, dispensary marketing. And the one that I had written down was dispensary SEO company, right? So services and keywords, right, that you can kind of plug in here, up to 5 of them. And then we're going to type in our service area. So again, obviously we serve, wide range of clients in, across the nation and Canada. But for this purpose, we're going to try to rank locally, right? So I'll start off with Los Angeles. We're in Woodland Hills specifically, and let's pick a couple nearby cities. And that's it. Let's click Get Keyword Ideas. It's going to research these keywords. So a lot of these keywords, especially looks like the dispensary ones, either have 0 search volume or just do not exist in this database. So those aren't going to be very helpful. What I'm seeing at the top here is SEO Los Angeles, 1700 volume. Only 22 keyword difficulty, right? So it's not a walk in the park. 22 is still, it's out of 100. There's still competition. But if I want to rank for local SEO Los Angeles, for example, the volume, is about a third, but the difficulty is lower. The really, really low hanging fruits here is I could rank for SEO Calabasas or dispensary SEO company Los Angeles, which is what I had in the profile, or SEO Woodland Hills, right? These have 150 search volume, but literally 0 keyword difficulty. So if I want to rank for those things tomorrow, those would be the keywords to plug in and try to rank for. If I want more of a long-term play and I'm going to work hard at it and, beat the competitors, then yes, SEO Los Angeles or local SEO Los Angeles might be the better keywords to plug in. In this case, honestly, I might start off with one of these 3 just to get the ranking going, and then work my way up to SEO Los Angeles. And the reason is 1700 volume, 22 keyword difficulty. It's not that far off from local SEO Los Angeles in terms of keyword difficulty, but the volume is just so much lower, right? So you might as well just go for the big bucks here. That's pretty much it. I think now I have an educated decision, right? I understand what keywords I should be trying to target and why I should be trying to target those keywords. So if you yourself want to make an educated decision on your keywords for your local business, or really any business, as you can see, head over to RevenueKit. It's RevenueKit.com. Hover over free tools and click on the local SEO keywords tool, and you'll be able to go through this process yourself. That's it. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.